के तौर पे मैं अभी आपसे बोलूं कि कोई बहुत ही प्लेजेंट मेमोरी आपकी जिंदगी की, तो इट डजंट हैव टू बी रीसेंट, it can be something old, it can be something recent, doesn't matter. But if I ask you to think about something really pleasant, something really nice, one of your treasured memories, something really good. And when you think about that, notice perhaps you have an image in your mind. Maybe you have an internal dialogue. You say, oh, what was the memory? हाँ मैं यहाँ था या थी या यूं हुआ था और यूं हुआ था, इसने ये कहा था वहां पे यूं हुआ था, इसने यूं हुआ था. And you may have an internal dialogue. Or thinking about that memory, triggers some feelings in you. And there may be some smells or tastes as well. But what you call a memory, okay, or even a thought, that thought has a certain way, there is a certain way in which you represent that thought to you. Now, here's an important thing in NLP. There is no right and wrong way of representing information. So you represent information to yourself in one way, and your brother, your son, your sister, your mother, your father, your husband, your wife, any other person may represent the same information in some other way.